Welcome to episode 8 of Why Would Ya Wednesdays, where we show you items we bring on a cruise, and others might think, why would you bring that?
Why would ya? Howdy, y'all.
These are things that are on the KAM Fam's permanent packing list. Now, today's item is something we hope we never have to use, but we always bring it with, just in case.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, I'm Mitch with the KAM Fam, and this is another episode of Why Would Ya Wednesdays, where we show you things that are on our permanent packing list that others might think, why would you bring that?
Why would ya?
Today's item is something we rarely use, we hope we never use, but we have had to use on a cruise. That item is a first aid kit, guys. And this first aid kit is a special first aid kit because it's coming from our good friend Cruising Chris M. So make sure to check out Cruising Chris M's channel. He hooked us up with a custom first aid kit. We had a generic one. Now we got a Cruising Chris M one. So we've upgraded. But guys, what should you have in a first aid kit on a cruise? Well, that's completely up to you. Some of the things you're going to find in our first aid kit, you definitely want to have with some Band-Aids. There's going to be boo-boos. You never know. They might trip on the open deck. They might fall, scrape their knee. Get that. With that being said, some gauze is always a plus. And I guess that's upside down. Again, something we hope we don't need. But you have some gauze. Have some tape to wrap things up in case you need it. Tweezers. You never know when you might need something like that, guys. So there is just random stuff in here. We also carry with us some things such as like Neosporin and random wrap to do things of that nature. Some sort of cleaning. If you do get a cut, you want to clean that thing out. So here is some Purell hand sanitizer. It is also customized Cruiser Chris M. But yes, guys, just good things to have with. Again, do we hope we ever use this? No, but we're glad to have it because have you ever went to the fun shop to get some Band-Aids? It's crazy. Bring them with, that way you have them. And if the fun shop's not open, you don't want to make a trip to Deck Zero because Deck Zero is going to cost you a lot of money. For those of you who don't know, Deck Zero, that's where the doctor's at to take care of you. But we're hoping we take care of ourselves and never need that item. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this edition of Why Would You Wednesday. So we want to know in the comments, first aid kit, is it something you bring? Is it something you're going to start bringing? Or is it something you're saying, who's going to waste the packing space on that? Why would you bring it?
Why would ya?
Don't forget to hit that like button if you've joined this and subscribe if you haven't already. We would greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you every Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4 Central Standard Time, 12:34 every Wednesday for another edition of Why Would You Wednesday. See you next week, guys.
Why